Take a ride in the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom, as well as an authoritative 5.4-liter 3-valve V8 flex fuel engine. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.